How to delete professional dashboard on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how you can delete professional dashboard on Instagram. So in order to delete professional dashboard on Instagram, first thing first, make sure that the device is up to date. After that, go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application and log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, scroll down a bit and go ahead and tap on the profile icon. As soon as you've done tapping on the profile icon, you'll be taken to the profile page. While you're on this page, you'll need to go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines. After that, you'll be able to go ahead and tap on settings and privacy. Once you're on settings and privacy, scroll down to the bottom and you'll be able to see creator tools and switch. So once you're on this page, you'll need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find for professional. So click on it. Once you're on this page, once again scroll down a bit and click on switch account type. So basically, in order to remove or delete your professional dashboard, you'll need to switch it to personal account. So click on switch to personal account. Here click on the switch to personal account once again, and as soon as you've confirmed it, the dashboard feature will be removed. As you can see, it has been removed. So that is basically how you can delete professional dashboard on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.